check this thing out. This is a 9-in-1 USB docking station. You heard me right, 9-in-1, and it's a 100-watt docking station. And let me just kind of like go over what exactly this thing is. So you're like, how is it a 9-in-1? Well, I'm going to show you. I took it out, kind of went over it here. And let's say you've got like a laptop, say like a MacBook Pro or something like that. You can kind of see how it's very nicely presented. But I'm just going to kind of, oh, there is some instructions. It's down in here. So let me show you, going over the instructions, let me show you what you get with this thing. You get what they're calling a U disc, a keyboard, a mouse. These are things you can hook to it. A TF card, which is the micro card, a SD card, which is the regular SD card, a projector or display output, a TV, which is the HDMI, wireless docking, Ethernet port, and a power source. And then that would go right into the MacBook Pro. Now, I do not currently have a MacBook Pro, but what I am going to do, I'm just going to hook it to my computer over here. I've got a Dell or HP computer, and I want to show you some of the features on there. And what it does, this would hook into a USB-C, and I do have a USB-C input, and then that would go up like that. Let me hook it up to the computer and see what it does. Okay, so I'm down here at my desktop computer. I'm just going to unplug my, to let me know that I have power. You see that? I don't know if you can see it in the camera. So I have power. Wow, that worked. Oh, that worked perfect. Let me close that up. Oh, I like how you can fold that over in different configuration. Ain't that neat? That way it's like, if I want to have it on my desk. And now let me put the micro mini card in there and see what it does. Does it pop up on my... I just slid the card in there, and then on my desktop, you see that? The card just popped up. So that worked. Okay, now I've got just a regular card in there. There it is. So it's up on my screen right now. So that worked perfect on that. Take these out. Okay, let's try the USB-C charging on this thing. Well, there you go. So yeah, you can charge with a USB-C. That seemed to work well too. And looking over it here, if you're using a laptop, this thing I highly recommend. I think this thing would be great. This is 360 degrees rotation on there. You can run vertical or horizontal on that. And you got all of these different ports. This is one of the cooler items I have. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the docking station. 15-watt charging, 100-watt input docking station. See y'all in the next video.